Hi friends, welcome to Sita's Biology and Creativity. Today our creativity is about how to make the beautiful wall hanger by using the waste materials that are nothing but the storage bags of clothing and any cardboard and the papers and color paints. Let's start the procedure. The required materials are the paper, scissor, sketch and gum, and also any one type of the storage bag like this. This type of the bag was required. Here I was using the bedsheet storage bag. So these are required for making that beautiful wall hanger. First we have to take the storage bag like this, and I am going to cut it in that position now. So I was cutted it. So I am going to keep it aside the remaining portion, and I am going to use this part for making that wall hanger. So first we have to remove the cardboard from that bag, and in that cardboard only we are going to make the first I am going to take the two white papers here, which are A4 size, because the cardboard size was bigger than the A4 size. So here I am going to stick these two papers to that cardboard with the help of the gum. So see here, I was pasted the papers to the cardboard, and now I am going to cut the extra partitions of the paper. So see here, I was cutted the extra portions of the paper. So now the papers were sticked to the cardboard right here. Later I was taken the paper, and with the help of the pencil I was drawn the couple diagram in the paper, and later I am going to cut the shape of the couple diagram with the help of the scissor like this. So see here, in this way we have to cut the shape of the diagram. Later I am going to paint it with the black color with the help by keeping the dot like that, and with the help of the cotton I was make the painting like this completely. Later I am going to stick it to the cardboard in the middle of the cardboard with the help of the gum. So finally I was sticked it to the cardboard with the help of the gum. Later I am going to paint or decorate the backgrounds with the help of the other paints that are nothing but here. First I am going to take the sky blue color, and I am going to keep the dots over the background with the help of my finger. Later, keeping the dots with the help of the cotton, I am just emitting the color over the background like this. Finally, the color was spread to the background with the help of the cotton. Later, I was taken the red color paint. With the help of my finger, I am going to keep the dots completely to the background. In this way, we have to keep the dots of the other color, that is nothing but the red color. So in the same pattern I am going to spread that color over the background with the help of the cotton only. So here I was taking the cotton. With this I am going to spread the red color. So finally the coloring of the background was completed. Later I am going to take the white paper. With the help of the shape scissor I am going to shape it with the help of this scissor. So after shaping the scissor I am going to paste it to the backgrounds like this. To that backgrounds I am going to stick the paper with the help of the gum like this. Just watch how I am going to watch. So finally I was pasted the paper shape papers with the help of the gum like this. Later with the help of the sketch I was drawn the tree diagram and the downward portion of the diagram like this. For making the tree to appear in the brown color I was used the cone here, because the color was not there with me, and with the help of the other colors that are nothing but red, blue, orange, red, pink, any more colors, we have drawn the dots around the tree for making that the leaves or appear on the tree. Later I was taken the yellow colored paper, and I am going to stick it to the surroundings of the scenery like this. So finally we have pasted the yellow color portion of the paper to the surroundings of the scenery like this. Later I am going to make it dots with the help of the earbud like this with the black color paint. So finally with the help of the black color paint, by using the earbud I was make the dots over the yellow color scenery background Later I was pasted the white color paper to the back side of the cardboard finally. So here finally I am going to keep that scenery into the cover like this. After keeping that in the cover, the extra partition of the cover was folded back side like this. Like this we have to fold the cover tightly. So later with the help of the any gum or any pin machine we have to close it very tightly. Here I was taking the pin machine. So with the help of that I am going to stick it with the help of the pins. So finally our scenery, that is beautiful wall hanger, was ready. Here I was kept in the upper portion of the switchboard in the white background. It looks very beautiful, right? I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.